Good morning, everyone. I am Nandini Prakash, and today I will tell you what unknown numbers and equations are. Equations are just like a balance. Like in this balance, we have x plus 49 kgs, and on the other side, we have 52 kgs. So that means x has a value. That means when we add the value of x to 49, we will get something more than 52, so it will be heavier. That's why this weight is going down. So let's say x is 4. X is equals to 4. So that is 53. And on the other side, it's 52. So it can be anything more than 4 because it will keep on adding on. So it can be 4, 5, 6, or anything else. Now on this one, we have x plus 49 and 52. But this time they're both equal. That means x still has a value, but it's a different value. So when we add this time x's value to 49, it will still be 52. That's why they're both equal. So let's say x is 3. Let's test it. 3 plus 49 is equals to 52. It's the same. They're both balanced and they're both equal. Let's look at the following. This square, when added to 49, is equals to 52. What could it be? It could be 3. That's an unknown number. Now we can also write 3 as a variable, as 3 is an unknown number. So we can write it as a variable like x, which is a variable. A variable can be represented by any letter of the alphabet, like X, Y, Z, A, B, etc. Now we have another equation. It's written x plus 49 is equals to 52. That's an equation. Now, an equation has 3 parts. One is this x plus 49, one is this 52, and one is simply this equal sign. In the above equation, x is the variable. The equation has 2 sides. Now, left-hand side and LHS must be equal to the right-hand side. Look, this is this is called LHS, while this is called RHS. You might be wondering why we have given those names. Well, it's like this. Since x plus 49 is on the left of the equal sign, it's called left-hand side, or in short forms, we can say LHS. And this 52 is called RHS, as it is on the right-hand side, or you could say right of the equal sign. That's why we call it right-hand RHS and LHS. Now, left-hand side must be equal to the right-hand side, because if it's not going to be equal, the equation will be wrong. That's why I'm advising you that the left-hand side should be equal to the right-hand side. Now, up to this point, we have learned what equations are, what LHS and RHS are, and we also learned about how LHS and RHS must be equals to each other. Now, in this slide, we are going to be learning about how to write equations. So, first, let's see what we have. A number when added to 16 is 20. Use variable A. Well, over here, we don't know the value of the number. So that means we're going to use the variable A for it. So A when added to 16, that means when added to 16 is equals to 20. So A plus 16 equals to 20. Now in the next one we have 4 times a number is 44. Use variable t. 4 times a number t is equals to 44. 4 times t is equal to 44. So we didn't know the value of the number here. So we used the variable of t. Okay. Now in this one we have a number divided by 4 is 10. Use variable w. So a number which is w divided by 4 is equals to 10. W divided by 4 is equals to 10. Now let's do some exercises. In the first one we have a number is greater than 3. Use variable b. Now over here we don't know the value of a number. So we're going to use the variable b for it. B is greater. Now what sign would be used here? Now in this one we are going to be using greater than sign. B is greater than 3. B is greater than 3. Now the second one we have 4 added to a number gives 10. Use variable p. 4 added to a number, well, we don't know the value of it, so it's going to be p, gives. Now over here in this one, like in the examples, we used is for the equals, but over here we have gives, and it is still equal, so both of them have the same meaning. Gives 10. So 4 plus p is equals to 10. Now here we have 4 times a side is 40. Use variable x. 4 times, that means 4 times a side x. So x is 40. Four times x is equals to 40. Now here all you can see over here we have been using use variable b, use variable p, and use variable x. But if you find a question where there isn't written variable x or which variable to use, don't think it's mistaken. Actually we have taken these variables for your understanding. So actually we can, if you don't find any variable to write, just take any variable like x, y, z, a, b, or anything else. Now today we learned about equations and how to write equations and about all those things. Now be sure to watch the next video in which we will learn how to solve an equation. Thank you.